Do you want to earn money on YouTube? And I'm not talking about the YouTube Partner Program or YouTube Adsense. In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate programs, how they work, why they're such a great way to help you earn more income, and how they can even help you land brand deals. Me and my co-founder Ike at the Can Do Creator community put together a list of over 100 affiliate programs that you can start applying to today. You can get to this list via the link on screen, and I'll have it in the video description. Whether you're just getting started on YouTube or looking to have more ways to make money, this list has options to help you get started as an affiliate. If there's an affiliate program you think we should add to this list, or if you're a company interested in sponsoring this list, let us know in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, let's break it down. What exactly are affiliate programs? Simply put, they're partnerships between content creators like you and me and companies. Now the way it works is pretty simple. You promote a product or service using a unique affiliate link. And whenever someone makes a purchase by clicking through to that link, you earn a commission or a kickback. It's pretty much a win-win. You help your audience discover helpful products, tools, etc., and you get compensated for it. Even if you're not yet eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and can't earn through AdSense, you can still generate income with affiliate programs. So let's say you sign up to be an affiliate for Opus Clip, which is a tool that uses AI to help you create captions, shorts, clips, etc. Opus Clip offers a 25% commission on each sale for the first 12 months of that user being a member. So, if someone purchases a $15 subscription through your affiliate link, you'll earn about $375 every month they stay a paying user up into the entire year. Imagine getting 100 people to sign up. That's potentially $375 a month or over $4.5 thousand a year. This can be so helpful, especially for smaller channels that are working their way up to earning monetization. You're not waiting around to meet YouTube's monetization requirements. You're taking control of your channel's ability to make money right now. Affiliate programs are a great way to build another revenue stream while you're working towards earning monetization on YouTube. Now, before you start sharing those links, there's some important information you need to know. Legally, you are required to disclose if a link within a description or video is an affiliate link wherever you share it. Now, this is a rule set by the Federal Trade Commission, also known as the FTC, to ensure transparency with your audience. It's as simple as saying something like, "This is an affiliate link," which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through it at no additional cost to you. Now, I believe in being upfront with your audience. Not only does this keep you compliant with the law, but also it lets your audience know where you're coming from. Once you've created content featuring your affiliate links, it can help you keep generating income long after that video was published. Your hard work keeps paying off, and that's why affiliate marketing is so helpful for any size creator. I want you to imagine this. You're promoting an Epidemicsound's affiliate link across all of your videos, and thanks to your efforts, a ton of your followers start subscribing through your link. Epidemicsound sees how many sales you've driven and realizes you're a valuable partner. Epidemicsound might reach out to you for a more formal partnership, where you get paid up front and not just through affiliate commissions. That's a brand deal. You can use this data to pitch it to brands, showing them the direct impact you've had through sales. Most brands are on the lookout for creators who can drive results, and affiliate sales data is a powerful way to do this. Even YouTube themselves are getting into affiliate sales. Now, in case you didn't know, YouTube has its own affiliate shopping program. Now, YouTube's is a fantastic option, but it does come with some specific requirements. To be eligible, you need to be part of the YouTube Partnership Program. You also need to have more than 10,000 subscribers and all of these other requirements that are on screen. I hope YouTube lowers the requirements, and I'll have it noted on screen with a YouTube correction if they do. But don't worry, the affiliate programs on the list in the description don't all have such restrictions. Please check out the full list of over 100 affiliate programs. It's a great resource whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand. If you have any questions or want to learn more, consider joining our free Discord server. It's a perfect place to connect with other creators, share tips, and get answers to your questions. And remember, I'm Andrew Can, and if I can make money through affiliate sales, then you can too.